Hey, beautiful. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Sharlrita Deloatch, and around here, we love to talk about building a soft, strategic, and spirit-led business through books, systems, and stories. Today, I want to talk about a phrase we hear all of the time: passive income. But let's keep it real. What does passive income actually look like when you're building it from scratch? Spoiler alert, it's not always sipping lattes while the money just magically roll in. Now, I'm not discounting that will happen, but not in the beginning. So let's have this conversation. Let's first talk about mindset. Let's talk about method and the truth about building income that works even while you rest. And this is coming from an individual, a woman who has passive income, who created passive income. So I'm not new to this. Okay. However, there were certain mindset shifts that I had to have in the very beginning while building, which kept me going, even when I didn't make a sale. So it's past due for this conversation. Here's the first mindset shift I had to actually make: is that passive income is earned up front. So it's not lazy, it's not fast, it's definitely not free. Okay. What people call passive often has a foundation of work, like wisdom, the willingness, the behind the scenes stuff. I had to build systems, like literally systems, create the products, publish the books, and be consistent with it. Yes. So now the money flows while I'm cooking dinner or homeschooling my kids, but that flow didn't come from nowhere. Okay. It came from obedience. It came from clarity. It came from commitment to the process, and most of all, commitment to myself. Let me paint a picture of how passive income shows up in my own personal business. It's someone going to Amazon to buy my book, or whether they're on my email list, they're buying my book while I'm sleeping because they got an email from me saying, hey, today's the day you can get this book for free, just pay for shipping. So that's how that will look in the very beginning. And then it also looks like digital product sales that hit my inbox while I'm walking with my kids or homeschooling my kids. Because again, when the people join my email list, which you can, join my email list, you can learn about the collective. It's all in my description of my YouTube channel. So when someone gets on my email list, I can make passive income because I have emails already lined up that I've written and had them with a schedule. So these things, I had to sit down and put in the work to do that. I had to have the mindset to know that, okay, when I send these emails, some people are going to buy, some people will not, so there's different things that go into this whole world of passive income. Also looks like a new member joining the collective after reading my email I wrote 2 weeks ago. Okay. And that has happened before a couple of times. So all of that, it came from what I call peaceful preparation. So I didn't hustle. I actually strategized, which is one of the greatest benefits to being connected to a mentor like myself, because I'm the type that's just not going to tell you to just create something. Or even now, with the age that we're living in, there are done for you products that we have in the collective. You don't even have to create these things from scratch. However, I always preach this to my students that it does take strategy. You have to sit down with a pen and some paper, okay, with some computer paper, and you need to map this out. how do you want this to look, right? The Bible says to write the vision, make it plain. That's something that I preach to my students. I preach that here on my YouTube channel. You got to write this out, and it may look different from mine. However, based on your lifestyle and where you want to go and what your goals are, it's going to be different. But you got to sit down and map it out, so make it plain so that it look, when you are done with it on paper, now it's time for you to get in the systems, right? Like systeme.io is what I use in my business. So I need to actually sit down, write out the emails, even helping AI is here. We got ChatGPT to help us to do this a lot more faster. So we're incorporating those things. That's what passive income really, really looks like. I actually create a funnel that works, that I had to tweak. A book that speaks. I have a message that moves. So passive income is what happens when you set things up with intention. Okay. Step by step. Okay. So now let me get into why, or what it looks like behind the scenes for my business when it comes to my passive income streams. And number one, of course, the MiniHER books. So these are short, focused books I publish monthly. Each one teaches, inspires, and offers the next step. Who can guess what my next step is? Tell me in the comments. Y'all, you've been here. You're OG. You've been here. You should know what the next step always is. But if you're new, I'm going to go ahead and give you the answer. The Profitable Publishers Collective, right? So see how very strategic I am, and see how I know, okay, what my next step is. So these are things that you not actually have to know up front, but you can know up front. But it's great if you know up front, and you don't have to know all these things when you first join a collective or when you write your first book. But this is what I grew into, and that's the space that I hold for you. You're the Insider Collective. So the second stream is digital products. So every book has a product pathway. Okay, either a checklist, templates, or training that aligns with the message inside the book. So not only am I leading individuals in the back of the book to the collective, which is the whole point, but every book has its own like lead magnet, which I call a digital product. Now, it's not always free. Some of them are free, and then sometimes they are low cost, like $7, $17. But again, you see how strategically I set that up. So sometimes, depending on what my message is in my book, some of the books have the same lead magnet or digital products. Some of them don't. Some of them have their own. And I know you're like, okay, well, where are you hosting these digital products? How does that work? That's where my PayHip shop comes in at. But I don't, if you notice on my channel, I don't really put that on Front Street because it's a part of my back end revenue. So I know I'm talking over some of y'all head a little bit, and I'm sorry for that. But I want to paint a picture of what this looks like the work that actually has to go into this before it goes to market, you know. Now, very much the collective is great because I have different paths for beginners, like where to start and those type of things. But I really, really, really am very much into making sure you have systems and things in place, because this is truly how you make passive income. No one can come and click and buy something if, number one, you don't have the system set up, like the email automation, the link for them to actually press. Those things have to be set up in advance. 3, I have soft funnels. Okay. So I have my free plus shipping offer for my books that leads to a digital product, leads to my mid-tier offer, which is the Profitable Publishers Collective. So it's very, very simple. Okay. Now, I used to have a higher ticket offers and those that I don't have that anymore. I cut that off. Okay. Which is why a lot of you, if you've been on my channel, I used to have a publishing company where I provided done for you, services. I hardly ever do that anymore. I do still continue to like to get emails and things like that. And that just all depends if I want to take on a client or two or whatever. However, I make my business so super simple, and I do this for me, first of all, as I am approaching this year, I'll be 43. So as I continue to get, older in age and things like that, and I get to the way my lifestyle is set up, I really don't have the time to have complicated funnels and have complicated this and complicated that in my business. I decided what I wanted my business to look like and I act accordingly. Now you may be looking at this video and say, well, Sharlrita, I really want to, go out speaking and doing, I want to have all these classes. You can do that. That's the great thing about business. You can do whatever you want to do and what fits you. All right. So I have women in the collective that they all have different business models. So my goal is not to teach you how to be like me. Okay. That's not the whole point of the collective. I created the collective, number one, to provide mentorship, which is very much needed for women in this publishing industry that want to write books. I have a few ladies that have their own publishing companies, and that's my way of bringing value to making sure that you have the mentorship you need, right? I also created a collective because there is certain information that I keep behind the paywall. Okay. That like you have to pay before you get access is what I, teach behind there. So there are so many other reasons why I created the collective. Of course, I love community. I love those ladies in there, the work that they're doing. And I just love to be a part of their story, right? So I'm showing up being a part of their story. So I have a simple business. I absolutely love it. I've done all the things. I've done all the classes. I've done the speaking. I've done the traveling. I've done those things. So I'm taking what I have done in my business since being in business since 2014 and putting that into the collective, sharing my wisdom, sharing my lessons that I learned, and sharing those things, the good and the bad, so that the women that God has attached to me can do what God has called them to do. And you need wisdom to be able to do that. You need community. You need mentorship. Number 4, I have content with purpose. Like I don't just post to post. Every video, email, and article I write is a seed and God breathes on it, because all of this works together to create what people think is passive income. But really, it's purposeful income to me because it's created from rest and not rushing. Let me say this, okay? Passive income is a faith walk. Okay. It's trusting that the work that you did yesterday is still producing fruit today. It's knowing that rest is still holy, even when the world says do more. I am a visionary by heart. Okay. Your girl, I can make some money, right? I can create some things. I really can. However, as an individual that is a woman that is a visionary, I had to learn how to tame my bird brain, or what, not analysis paralysis, but a person that, how you have people, you may know people that they jump from one thing to the next. They never finish that. They're not a finisher. I used to be that woman, like not finishing. I would start things and I would start books, wouldn't finish them. I will start that. But now at the point in my life, I'm a finisher now. And that's not always easy. Okay. Sometimes I see different business models. I'm like, oh, I want to try that. I be up late at night sometimes. And I'm thinking the other night, I was like, man, I could probably start my own SaaS company. Like, and then I had to tame myself and say, Sharlrita, girl, if you don't stop and make this simple. So it's not always easy, but I'm handling it. Your girl handling it. This is truly about believing that God can use your words written in a book to keep blessing others, even when you're not online. It's not chasing money. I'm building a message. And because of that, money flows. Okay. That's what passive income really looks like for me. So, girl, if you are in this space, you're dreaming of passive income, please know this. You don't need to go viral. Okay. You don't need to work 10 hours a day. You need strategy. You need mentorship. You need structure. And most of all, you need faith. That's what I teach inside the Profitable Publishers Collective. So if you're ready to create that peaceful, profitable income from your knowledge and your story, the invitation is open. I am here. The link is below for you to learn more. I really hope that this video encouraged you. Okay. And if it did, I would love for you to hit that subscribe button. Also like this video and share it with another soft life CEO, okay, who needs to hear this about passive income, who wants to create passive income. But your girl's going to give you the truth, okay? I'm going to tell you what it really is. What I will tell you, when you put the work in up front, and I know I talked about faith earlier. Yes, I know I have been there where I would put something out and it didn't work. I didn't take that as, oh, well, God doesn't want me to do this. No, I take that as, okay, I'm going to do that. Okay, it doesn't work. Let's try something else. Okay, this is me and God. Like, God, okay, what you want me to do next? What you want me to try next? Because I wouldn't get to what's working unless I went through that what wasn't working. Okay, and many are afraid to invest in themselves. Many are afraid to put themselves out there because the first thing women say is, what if it doesn't work? Or what if people don't buy? If they don't, they don't. Okay. If they don't, they don't. Change it up. All right. So it's about having that resiliency to keep going regardless, because you are, okay, I'm not going to paint this pretty picture for you. You are going to have bad days. You are going to have days where you want to quit, but you're not. Okay, you're not going to do that. And in the collective, you can't do that because I'm going to be on you. You can ask any of those women in there now. If you come in and you want to be quiet, you don't want to say nothing, you don't. And it doesn't mean that you have to check in with me, okay? Because we're all adults, but I'm going to check in with you to see if you're working, right? Because we're in here to build legacy. Our words, the words that I write in my books, my children would live off of them. I'm telling you that. So, but I know, because I see the bigger picture, that yes, your girl have to put in some work. Yes, it's not always going to be easy, but it's going to be worth it. So until next time, I want you to make sure you keep building with grace, with wisdom, and quiet power. Okay. So I'll see you in the next video, and I cannot wait for us to chat soon. All right. Or see you in the collective. Come to the next mentorship call. All right. Talk to you soon. Bye.